A very important research for psychology students, highly probable. Now, here we would be discussing chronotype. Night owl versus lark. What is the difference? So, night owl chronotype is a chronotype where people typically prefer to go to bed late and get up late. Okay. On the other hand, lark chronotype is a chronotype where people prefer to go to bed early and get up early in the morning. Now, what is the study which has been recently done? Chronotypes are basically genetically determined and therefore cannot be altered. So, genetically, if you are predisposed to getting up early, you would be getting up early. However, there have been recent researches which have said that night owl chronotype students with night owl chronotype are relatively doing better in terms of intelligence, memory, reasoning as compared to lark. However, as per the traditional system, specifically when a student is schooling, it is believed that lark is a preferred format where it is required to go to bed early and get up early in the morning. However, there have been constant debates regarding this, but this is an important topic. The two terms under chronotype are important, and many such topics in psychology we would be covering regularly. In the postal course, you would find certain information which would be useful, and also contemporary case studies which we constantly update based on the recent happenings.